Understanding digital twins, a game-changing technology. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical systems designed to simulate, analyze, and optimize real-world processes. By combining real-time data, artificial intelligence, AI, and IoT sensors, digital twins provide a powerful way to monitor and improve performance across various industries. In manufacturing, digital twins help predict equipment failures and optimize production lines. For example, a factory can create a digital twin of a robotic assembly system to simulate wear and tear, allowing engineers to schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs. In healthcare, digital twins are used to create personalized treatment plans. Doctors can generate a virtual model of a patient's heart to test different surgical approaches or medication effects before making real-world decisions. Smart cities use digital twins to simulate traffic flow, energy consumption, and infrastructure planning. City planners can model road expansions or public transit changes to assess their impact before construction begins. By enabling real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and advanced simulations, digital twins help businesses reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making, making them a game-changing technology for the future.